What up, gang? So you've seen a few videos from us now, picking up some vehicles that are a little different, and I think this weekend we got an extra special one. It's a 1977 Honda Z50 Trail Mini. Look at her. A lot of potential here in this one. I think we're gonna get her cherried out, get her on the trails. Got her for a sweet little deal at $275, which ain't too bad. Good wheels, good tires, good frame. Tank's got a couple dents, but you know, who doesn't have dents from 1977? It's got a 125 in it instead of the 50, so that'll be kind of an interesting project for us to get it all tidied up. Exhaust is a little interesting. May return that to a more standard looking system. But yeah, we're really excited about this little guy, the monkey. Yeah, let's get a little look around here. Isn't it the cutest little thing?
Well, got the monkey running. This little guy's ready for the moon. Side covers on it. Got the new ignition system put in. Kicked it over a whole bunch and now she purrs. Yeah. Yep, so now it's about time to do the physical components, all the pretty stuff. Fixed a little bit of a loopy idle. But yeah, this beast runs. Oh yeah.
Alright, Nutrigrain here with a quick little Z50 update. We bought this bad boy and someone had cut the tabs off right here and here that attached the cool little triangle plate. Well, we kind of want that look, so Rockdala here has done some welding up of some new tabs on there. Yeah, and that should hold our cool little Z50 triangle plate on there. And yeah, not too bad.
Go easy on me, folks. I'm new to welding.
Yeah, he's kind of new at welding. He's still getting, you know, getting the hang of it, but not bad. They're really solid. I could pick the bike up by those tabs if we had to. So yeah, not too bad. You know, if anybody else needs to do that, well, it can be done.
It's summer and it's hot. So we've been using this time to do a little wrenching on the Z50. Pulled the front forks off. Want to scrape this black paint off. We made the choice. We're gonna do the whole bike in candy blue. So yeah, we got the forks pulled off and made a pretty alarming discovery. The bearing slop caused the bearing cups to chew into the stem. So I'm gonna bust out that Harbor Freight welder we got and do a few zap taps on it. Fix it right up. Well, I'm all done welding. Man, I worked up one heck of an appetite. Who wants some hamburger? All right. Well, time to grind it up and make it look pretty. But I'm gonna have to say these front forks are fixed. Forks are sanded. You can see here I've got a side panel pulled aside that we picked up for it. We're going for that sweet vintage candy blue that Honda used back in the 70s, and we managed to find some spray paint that fits it perfectly. So we're gonna go ahead and start painting these forks. Alrighty, forks are all stripped down to bare metal. Got them hanging from the ceiling, and my temporary paint booth is set up, so it's time to hit them with some primer and paint. Forks are all painted up. That candy blue we went with came out pretty sweet. It's got a nice color shift to it. Goes from teal to purple at the extremes. Came out real smooth looking. See if we can get in close here without getting too blurry. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Down here we have the cap that'll go on top of the forks, painted silver as it should be. So yeah, just time for some clear coat and then reassembly.